rock the dunks. Up YouTube, we're back again with another video. Oh, that's a nice GR86. But we're back again with the POV style vlogging. Kind of did a ride along POV in the car, out in the field doing work, so you guys at home can see what a typical day is like for me as I weave through traffic here. Actually, we're revisiting the duplex that we saw the other day on my most recent vlog post. Because we weren't stood up, we weren't able to see the vacant side. We got a Miata pulling up on me right now. Nice, he debadged it. We got a Plaid X over there too. So yeah, today's kind of a short day. This is my only appointment of the day for work stuff. Later on today, I'm meeting up a friend of mine who does cinematic video content. He's been wanting to do a video with the IS500 for the longest, and so I decided to finally book him. Shout out to T. It's on screen right now, his account. But yeah, we're doing some kind of a cinematic commercial style lifestyle shoot with the IS500 at night. So looking forward to how that's gonna turn out. I gotta do a nice big rinse for the car. I've been driving around like crazy the past few days, so got a lot of bug splatters and road film on the front, so I'm definitely gonna do a deep clean on the front end there. And we're back. If you guys saw the video from the other day, we're back at the same duplex. Saw unit A. We're gonna check out unit B now, so we'll see you inside. Same unit, same layout as the other unit that we saw. This one has accent colors, popcorn ceiling. Here's your laundry closet, same as the other side. Here's your water heater. Looks like it's the same age, 2008 on the water heater. But yeah, we just finished up at that duplex. I'm gonna edit this video and send it to my client, and we'll be able to see if we're gonna send out this offer in the garage right now, just because I was gonna do a little bit of work between this appointment and my video shoot later on. But what I am gonna do right now though is set up my, so that's gonna go there. So yeah, we're just done sending some documents to my buyer. Cooking up a couple deals right now. Hopefully I can get these people under contract soon, because your boy needs a deal. Get the desk off there. Put this back there, clean up the front. And we're also gonna switch up the shoes. I got the Chelsea boots on right now. They're cool and all, makes for a really good professional look, but we're gonna rock the dunks. Find a do-it-yourself self-service car wash. Clear. It's really steep down there, so I'm gonna take it really wide. Don't wanna mess up my lip. We're made a little pit stop, picked up some pub subs. My glasses died, so I was able to record inside. But as I finish the rest of my sandwich, we're going to play this DVD right here, and it's Fast and the Furious. So let's go ahead, and back screen seems kind of low. If I turn my DRL off, back screen goes much higher. Oh, iconic scene right here. Turn this shit up. Damn.
Yours, whether you win or lose. But
If you win, you get her too. Alright, we're gonna head out of here. I gotta rinse the car, Oh, gonna be looking for this car wash that I'm gonna head to. This one is a touch-free automatic, so that's always good. About a 20-minute drive. We can do that. As we make our way over to the car wash, let me know in the comments, you guys. Do you guys prefer hand washing? Do you prefer touchless car wash? Do you prefer self-serve car wash? Or are you more of a premium kind of person and you pay somebody to hand wash it in your driveway? Opt to wash it myself, or do the drive-thru. You know what? Let's just do it myself. Let's not be lazy. I hope they have credit card machines because I have no cash. I rarely carry cash. Oh, there's another clean car right there. It's an M4 in that super light gray. Not bad at all. All right, we made it outside. Oh, they do have credit card. Damn, they even have tap. I like tap. Let's see. We'll do a little tappity tap. Boom, easy. Pressure seems pretty good. Let's see, what do we got next? Spot-free rinse. It's a pretty good car wash. I'll put it on screen right now. Where this is located if you're local to Tampa. It's very well maintained car wash. Water pressure is pretty good. They got all the features. They got the tri-foam color conditioner. I wouldn't use the brush, the bris. Yeah, I wouldn't use the brush right there because it'll scratch up your paint. Even has an air dryer. Alright, that's fire. That's really strong. Really. Alright, that's it. I need air conditioning. Oh, please. Yes. Oh, I forgot I got trash to throw out. Let's do that. So yeah, we just finished up washing the car. I had to let my glasses charge in the case for a little bit so I can continue recording for the day. But yeah, these are the Ray-Ban Metas. I didn't realize they worked off of your face. I always figured when you take it off, it stops recording. So this is cool. So we're 7 minutes away. We made it to my meetup spot. Then here, out here in downtown Tampa. I'm just gonna park in the middle here and wait for my boy to pull up. Let's just fam, I see.
I was about to say, yeah.
What's good, bro?
What's up, man? How you been?
Good, man.
Good.
Hi, I'm Chris.
Nice to meet you.
Homegirl?
Yeah,
What was the name?
Aya?
Aya, nice to meet you. Who's Lexus, man?
2 months.
Oh.
Because now I'm out of commission out of the car, so
Wait, so you got rid of the Tesla? Like sold it and
it's gone.
you already put the money in the new car?
Supposedly, yes, I did, but they're not fucking giving me. They're holding it hostage at the dealership right now.
Oh yeah? Yeah, bro, take your pick.
I knew it, bro. You're a content creator. I forgot.
Yeah, but I don't know if this suction cup's gonna be good enough to mount on the outside. That's the shit.
This is for my camera.
So you can use this. So you just need this, right? Yeah, perfect. Done deal, man. It's a V8, bro.
Yeah. They call it the Japanese Mustang.
Yeah.
How many? I don't know what the pressure's supposed to be.
You just gotta keep pressing it.
Okay, I'll let you handle that. It seems pretty solid to me, bro.
It's not.
I got the magic touch, bro.
Oh, yeah.
By the way, I'm filming from my glasses. I'm like recording from my YouTube channel. Yeah.
Oh, you have a YouTube channel?
Yeah.
Am I gonna be on it?
If you want, if I have to. What's up, YouTube? Yeah, I don't have that many subs, but I'm starting the YouTube grind again. I want to try to grow it.
I was thinking
Is
about
it Rise
buying
by
them.
Real
How do you like them?
They're good.
Yeah, I couldn't even tell you were recording until now.
Yeah, unless you're really paying attention to my eyes, you'll see the LED light right there. Yeah, it's pretty
You
dope.
cover that up though, right?
If I cover it up, it'll stop recording.
No.
Yeah, they don't want you to record people without them knowing. Press play. What app is that, by the way?
It's just GarageBand. I just paid for it.
Oh, this premium feature.
Yeah.
Nice.
I used to be an audio engineer before videography, so I already it kind of goes hand in hand.
Recording now. It's a little bit of a delay, but if you're
Does anything pop up in front of your face?
no, not at all. I don't think they're that far yet.
Cool, but it's not lame. No, it's cool.
Yeah.
But it's lame because Apple does it now.
I mean, I'm pretty sure.
But they're like $5,000.
I'm pretty sure Meta Ray-Bans is gonna head that direction, but I mean, for like $300, I
That
mean,
right there is so cool.
Yeah.
It's 300. When I looked online, I thought it was like 700.
no, it's not that much. No, it was like 300 or 400 max for the latest version of them.
Alright, so we'll just go around then.
Yeah, I'm just scared for your phone, bro. To be honest.
I promise you, I've had a whole rig going like with the gimbal and all.
With this?
Like 16 pounds on this.
Okay.
Just like this. It's okay. And I had it on what's it called? At cruise. On my
Yeah.
quad.
Nice.
No, I'm not gonna be shot.
We're gonna record. Yeah, you're gonna mess up the recording. Wait, put on Do Not Disturb.
Oh, you're right. I never use Do Not Disturb.
There you go.
It's not like a conversation.
Well, you never know. Random Amber Alert.
I know, right? Dude, I've been having spam calls. Google Voices and stuff.
No idea.
Huh? I have it set to never turn off. So.
Cool. You have enough battery?
Yeah. What's the way you can like screen record
Have a monitor.
on your phone, like on my watch or something? Just
Yeah.
Stop recording. Yeah. When I get the that's gonna be perfect. Okay.
So you keep it like that, and then you can change it to like G-force.
Yeah.
You can like somehow record here while I'm pulling. Later on, get the V-source coming down,
That's gonna be perfect.
and maybe even during a braking and a turning, like you could capture me braking, and the G-force will be front instead of back.
Yeah, all that.
So many ideas, bro.
I know. If we just go in this,
That rev limiter.
yeah. Lexus is. But I can't get over the foot.
Yeah, the valve's right here. Play a little clip right close to my glasses. Excuse me, bro. My bad. I'm going this way. Excuse me. Oh, fuck.
Wait.
Bro, I was recording too. It's recording right
Yeah.
now.
My monitor.
That hurts, man.
No. Good thing this was a cheap monitor.
Now you got a reason to upgrade.
No,
Were you recording when
this gimbal is.
that M3 or what M4 whatever was revving at the was it M5? That was
It was not an M5, it's M3. I literally saw M3.
no, not the blue one. It was the gray one. That was
That was not an
it was M4, right?
No, they weren't.
So it made it right.
The girls were long.
It made it right when we went straight. That was the M5.
They were both M5.
You had footage of that?
Yeah, but bro, your life was blinding.
Ah.
Both of y'all, bro. In close, I can probably turn it down.
Yeah. Can I see some of the footage? Get a little tease.
Try to find a good clip.
It's just the raws. Oh, that's a good shot right there already. Shit, huh? It's me being proper using my indicator.
The lights.
That's gonna be a hard shot.
Oh, that's the money shot right there.
No, you gotta wait. Wait till you turn the lens. Right here.
And then if you overlay the audio clip from that. Which side? This side or that side?
You'll come in this way. Oh, okay. Sorry.
No? Oh shit. Yeah. Come here. Hi. You're out of breath?
He's on a mission.
Yeah. Have a good night. It's a little dangerous right here, no?
No. I didn't even notice that.
See, there you go. Aha, I just saved your camera, bro.
Well, I mean, that's how you take it off, sir.
$65 to fill this bad boy up.
This will not be able to use the monitor.
Yeah. Let's take a picture of this real quick. Filming for day one. It was supposed to be a one-day shoot, but you know, it got pretty late, and my photographer had to take his filming assistant back home. So we're calling it, and I'm headed back home. So we'll catch you guys on the next video. Thanks for making it all the way here. If you haven't subscribed and you made it all the way to the end of the video, go ahead and sub, hit that bell icon, follow me on social media, Instagram, all that good stuff, and we'll catch you guys on the next video, guys. Peace.